Here's an update on our 2020 Edge ST with flood damage that we repaired. We removed the interior complete, cleaned all the contacts, sanitized everything, detailed the entire interior, made sure the electronical system is functioning correctly. As you can see, the vehicle's nice and clean now. We dried the vehicle out, complete. There's no trace of water anywhere in here. Everything works, the vehicle runs perfectly. We brought it back to its original state. As you can see, the body's clean. Everything looks good. It runs perfect, it drives perfect. We're going to take it through the salvage inspection and it'll be sold with a rebuilt title. Take a look inside. No mildew smell. Nothing. The vehicle is in like new condition. We'll post it on our website soon. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.